Today, we'll explore the highly reliable and visually fascinating flag pattern, a continuation chart pattern named after its resemblance to a flag on a flagpole. Let's unravel the secrets behind this powerful pattern. The flag pattern, though less popular than triangles and wedges, is highly regarded by traders for its reliability. It emerges as a small channel after a steep trend, developing in the opposite direction. If it follows an uptrend, it takes a downward slope, while after a downtrend, it exhibits an upward slope. The preceding trend plays a crucial role in shaping this pattern. A flag consists of an explosive, strong price move forming a nearly vertical line, which we call the flagpole. After the flagpole forms, traders eager to capitalize on instant profits start selling in the case of an uptrend, or buying in the case of a downtrend. However, this doesn't cause a rapid decline or increase in price, as the opposing traders begin buying for uptrend or selling for downtrend in anticipation of future price movements. The resulting trend channel takes the shape of a downward sloping parallelogram for uptrends and an upward sloping parallelogram for downtrends, resembling the appearance of a flag, hence its name. The break of the trend line resistance on the flag triggers the next leg of the trend move, propelling the price forward. What sets the flag apart from typical breakouts is the almost vertical and parabolic nature of the initial price move represented by the flagpole. Flag patterns can be either bullish, known as bull flags, or bearish, known as bear flags. While breakouts can occur in both directions, most flags are continuation patterns. This means that flags in an uptrend are expected to break out upward, and flags in a downtrend are expected to break out downward. And that concludes our exploration of the flag pattern, a powerful continuation pattern trusted by traders for its reliability. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Click the link in the description to join our Telegram group and watch us trade. Happy trading!